Did you know that nearly 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, and that the trillions of bacteria living there can actually influence your mood, memory, and even your risk for chronic disease? That's right. Your gut does far more than just digest food. It's a bustling ecosystem that impacts everything from your mental health to your body's ability to fight infection. In recent years, scientists have even called the gut our second brain, revealing just how crucial gut health is for overall wellness. So, what exactly is gut health? It refers to the balance and function of microorganisms in your digestive tract, collectively known as the gut microbiome. When this system is in harmony, you feel energized, focused, and resilient. But when things get out of balance, due to poor diet, stress, or lack of sleep, you might notice digestive discomfort, low energy, frequent illness, or even mood swings. In other words, caring for your gut is foundational for thriving in every aspect of life. Unfortunately, modern lifestyles don't make it easy. Processed foods, high sugar intake, antibiotics, and chronic stress have all become common, and each one can harm the delicate balance of bacteria in our gut. As a result, many people struggle with bloating, irregularity, food sensitivities, or even more serious digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. The good news? You can take charge of your gut health by making thoughtful choices about what you eat. Certain foods are especially powerful when it comes to nurturing your gut microbiome and promoting robust digestion. Let's explore 5 foods that truly supercharge your gut health and discover how you can make them a delicious part of your daily routine. First up, fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso deserve a place at the top of the list. These foods are rich in live beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics. Probiotics help replenish and diversify your gut's microbial community, crowding out harmful bacteria and supporting smooth digestion. Consuming a variety of fermented foods can also help ease symptoms of lactose intolerance, reduce inflammation, and even bolster your immune response. Try starting your morning with a bowl of yogurt topped with berries, or add a spoonful of kimchi or sauerkraut to your lunch or dinner for a flavorful boost. Next, let's talk about fiber-rich foods, with a special focus on prebiotics. While probiotics introduce good bacteria into your gut, prebiotics act as food for those bacteria, helping them flourish. Foods high in prebiotic fiber include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. These fibers are not digested in the small intestine. Instead, they reach the colon, where they're fermented by gut bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish your gut lining and reduce inflammation. For an easy way to add prebiotics to your meals, sauté onions and garlic as a base for soups or stir-fries, or start your day with a bowl of overnight oats and sliced bananas. Our third gut-friendly superstar is bone broth. This traditional food is gaining popularity again for good reason. Bone broth is packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that help soothe and repair the lining of your digestive tract. If you suffer from leaky gut, food sensitivities, or chronic bloating, the nutrients in bone broth may help calm inflammation and restore gut barrier function. It's also comforting and versatile. Enjoy it as a warm beverage, or use it as a base for soups and stews to add both flavor and nutrition. Number 4 on our list is leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. These vegetables are not only loaded with vitamins and minerals, but they're also excellent sources of fiber and unique plant compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Recent research has found that certain sugars in leafy greens can fuel the growth of healthy bacteria, while polyphenols and antioxidants help reduce gut inflammation. To get the most out of leafy greens, toss a handful into your smoothies, salads, or stir them into soups and omelets. Now, let's highlight the most surprising food on our list: dark chocolate. That's right, your favorite treat could also be a gut health hero, as long as you choose varieties with a high cocoa content and minimal added sugar. Dark chocolate is rich in polyphenols, which are plant compounds that act as fuel for specific gut bacteria. As these bacteria break down polyphenols, they produce anti-inflammatory compounds that support gut and overall health. Some studies have even shown that regular consumption of dark chocolate can increase the levels of beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. To enjoy these benefits, savor a small piece of dark chocolate after meals or add cocoa powder to your morning smoothie. What makes dark chocolate especially remarkable for gut health is its dual action. Not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it also nurtures your internal ecosystem. Unlike many sugary snacks that disrupt gut balance, dark chocolate actually supports it, provided you keep portions reasonable and avoid those loaded with sugar and additives. It's a delicious reminder that caring for your gut doesn't have to mean sacrificing enjoyment. Let's quickly recap the 5 foods that can supercharge your gut health. Fermented foods introduce friendly bacteria. Prebiotic-rich foods feed those bacteria. Bone broth soothes and repairs the gut lining. Leafy greens offer fiber and plant nutrients, and dark chocolate delivers powerful polyphenols. Each of these foods works in a unique way to create a healthy, balanced gut microbiome, a foundation for better digestion, stronger immunity, steadier moods, and greater vitality. The takeaway? Small, mindful changes to your diet can make a big difference. By including more of these gut-friendly foods in your meals, you're not just improving your digestion, you're boosting your body's resilience, protecting your brain, and setting the stage for long-term wellness. Remember, your gut is at the heart of your health, and with every bite, you're either feeding disease or fueling vitality. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about living your healthiest life, don't forget to subscribe. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to a happier, healthier you, starting from the inside out.